On results day, I was incredibly disappointed, but the lecturers at USW made me feel a lot more reassured and a lot more supported. I've always been really interested in the human body, how it works and the science behind that, which is one of the main reasons why I decided to apply for medical schools. Looking into clearing beforehand, I ended up finding the medical sciences course here at USW, and signing up for a call from the clearing team was really reassuring when it came to results day. My maths exam didn't quite go as well as I hoped it would, which meant I couldn't go to medical school. However, I quickly realised that it wasn't the end of the world and there were many alternative routes into medicine. On the phone, the administration team were really good at keeping me at ease and answering all my questions, and they were really quick to sort out an interview time for me and provide a solution. I came in then on results day for an interview after opening my grades, and spoke to some of the lecturers from medical sciences that day. I'm really enjoying the course that I chose. Not getting your first choice doesn't mean the end of the world, and it can change your path for the better.